Hey guys, it's Dr. Play again. We do a lot of scleral lenses in our clinic, and I often get asked by patients, what's the best solution to use? Because there's so many out there. There's hydrogen peroxide solutions, there's multi-purpose solutions, there's rigid gas permeable conditioning solutions. I mean, the list goes on and on. But I will say, over the last couple of years, one solution that's been working really great for our patients is something called Tangible Clean. And this is what the bottle looks like, Tangible Clean. So what's cool about this solution, it's actually a multi-purpose solution. It can be used for scleral lenses, for rigid gas permeable lenses or corneal RGPs. It can even be used for hybrid lenses. So it's multi-purpose for real. And the other reason that I really like it is you don't have to have a two-step solution process. We're using one to kind of clean it and then another one for soaking. This can be a disinfection solution and the solution you soak your lenses in overnight. The other cool thing about Tangible Clean, if any of your lenses have a HydroPEG coating, your doctor may add this coating to help with dryness and wetting issues. Well, the company that makes that coating is called Tangible. So this solution works very well with that HydroPEG coating as well. Again, we've been using it for the last couple of years. We even stock it in our office for our patients, and patients really loved it. And it's a pretty big bottle, as you can see. This bottle will last you for a while. So just economically and just price-wise, it's a great solution to have. Again, there's Tangible Clean. So if you're looking for a new solution for your scleral lenses, for your hybrid lenses, for your corneal RGPs, try out Tangible Clean. I haven't seen it too much over the counter like at CVS or Walgreens, but you can order on Amazon or you can order directly through the manufacturer's website, which is Tangible. Again, Tangible Clean Solutions been working really well for us at Evolution Eye Care. If you have any questions about solutions or scleral lenses, just drop them in the comments below. Until next time.